What if the power went out right now? Could you feed your family a real dinner? What if it stayed out for a month? What's really in your pantry? Hi, I'm Joy, and I can make this whole dinner by myself. No slicing, no dicing, no thawing, no knives. This Indian Mulligatawny is super easy, really filling, and tastes so good. And here's the best part. It's 100% straight from the pantry. No fridge, no power, no problem. My mom calls it Grid Down Gourmet. I call it my Kid Can Gourmet. Get it? Can! These meals are so simple, kids can do them. Like, actually do them. No complicated steps, no fancy cooking, just dump, stir, and cook. It's not boring survival food either. It tastes like real food. This one is creamy, savory, and super cozy. Would somebody from India make this? Probably not, but it's really, really, really good. And you can keep all this stuff in your pantry for a long time, so whether it's normal night or everything shuts down, you're still eating good. Let's make it. I'm hungry, so let's go. Here's everything you'll need. Red lentils, canned carrots, canned chicken, coconut milk, diced potatoes, dehydrated peppers, chicken bouillon, curry, and water. So with a big pot on medium heat, add your lentils, dehydrated peppers, dehydrated onions, and water. Let it boil. Then add your chicken, coconut milk, diced potatoes, chicken bouillon, and curry, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Right before serving, add your drained canned carrots and stir. The result, a warm, hearty, super delicious mulligatawny that you can make on a random Thursday or during a power outage. If dinner feels hard, it doesn't have to be. Follow my mom for quick, shelf-stable meals that actually taste really good. Also, comment and tell her that I need my own channel. And go to loadedpotato.org for recipes, meal plans, and grocery lists. And you can even use the auto grocery calculator to build your whole pantry in minutes. It's all free. No stress, no guesswork, never worry about dinner again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.